Welcome back everyone. Today I am going to share 7 essential productivity tips and tricks to help you excel in your data entry task, guaranteed to boost your efficiency and accuracy. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Selecting data. Efficient selection of data is fundamental for various data manipulation tasks. You can do this by simply going to the first cell and then press Ctrl Shift right arrow to select any row and Ctrl Shift down arrow to select the whole data. Similarly, you can select any column by pressing Ctrl Shift down arrow. So if you have the large dataset, this technique of selecting data is super useful. Another way of selecting the data is by going to anywhere in your dataset and then press Ctrl A from the keyboard. So the whole data is selected with the help of single shortcut key. This ensures that you can apply formatting, perform calculations, and manipulate data within the selected range quickly and accurately. Inserting tables. Inserting tables in spreadsheet software like Excel provides several advantages. To convert this data into table, I can simply use a shortcut that is Ctrl T, and then I'll check my tables has headers and press OK. The data is changed into table. Now this table provides structured formatting, automatic expansion of ranges, and built-in filtering and sorting functionalities. Inserting a table rather than manually formatting data into rows and columns saves time and reduces the risk of errors. Find and replace. The find and replace function is a powerful tool for data cleaning and manipulation. For this purpose, we can use the shortcut Ctrl F and find anything in my data. So if I write Hamid and then press find, it will go directly to the cell where this text is written. Similarly, if I want to replace anything, I will use the shortcut Ctrl H, and here I can replace this text with any other text. And after this, I simply have to replace one or replace all. So it will make all the replacement and notify it. Utilizing find and replace efficiently can expedite data processing and ensure consistency in your dataset. Paste special. Paste special enables you to paste data selectively. To copy the data, we simply use a shortcut that is Ctrl C, and to paste it anywhere, we use the shortcut Ctrl V. This is not always useful, and sometimes we need to open the paste special. It enables you to paste data selectively, retaining only certain attributes such as values, formulas, format, or data validation rules. For this purpose, instead of pasting with the help of shortcut Ctrl V, I'll use the shortcut Ctrl Alt V, and it will open the paste special box where I can choose anything from this list and then press OK. Format cell. Formatting cells allow you to customize the appearance and behavior of the data within your spreadsheet. For example, if you want to format these cells using the 1000 separator, I will select them, and after this I will press the shortcut Ctrl 1, and it will open up the format cell option. Here I can do anything like number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. For example, if I want to apply the 1000 separator, I will go to the number and select use 1000 separator, move these decimal places to 0 and press OK. You can see that the cells have been formatted accordingly. You can set them to date, values, or any other format as well. Additionally, formatting cells appropriately can help convey insights more efficiently during data analysis and reporting. Hide columns and rows. Hiding columns or row is useful technique for managing the display of data in your spreadsheet. For example, if I want to hide this column, I'll use the shortcut that is Ctrl 0. The column will be hidden. And if I want to hide this row, I'll press the shortcut Ctrl 9. Hiding columns or row can help streamline the visual presentation of your spreadsheet and improve clarity, especially in complex datasets with numerous columns or rows. Save as. Save your work in different formats or location using the save as function is essential. But to do this, there are several ways, and the simplest one is the use of F12 key. So when I press the F12 key, it will directly take me to this dialog box where I can name this file and select the location and simply save it in a simple way. By saving your work regularly, you can mitigate the risk of data loss. Mastering these productivity tips for data entry can significantly enhance your efficiency, accuracy, and overall effectiveness in managing and manipulating data within spreadsheet software.
Thank you for watching this Microsoft Excel tutorial. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more valuable content. Remember, mastering Excel is key to unlocking your full potential in data entry. Until next time, keep excelling.